Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions, and today we are looking at um, test 4H of our series, Steps to Quantitative Reasoning. And we have an example here that will lead us to solving the exercises that were given. We have 9 um, unknown plus unknown 1, unknown 2 equals 12. So now say this implies 9 plus 1 plus 2 equals 12. So what is missing are the signs. So we have to find the signs that are missing in these questions. Now let us get to it. We are looking for 9. So 9 dash 5 dash 2. So let's take the first option that we're given here, plus or minus 12 plus 5, that's 17 minus 2. It's not possible. The second one, 12 minus 5, that's 7, plus 2, that's 9. So our final answer here is B. Let's look at the next one, 5 dash 5 dash 5. So 5 minus 5, 0 minus 5, that's not possible. 5 minus 5, that's 0, plus 5, that's not possible. 5 times 5, that's 25, divided by 5, that's not possible. 5 minus 5 plus 5, that's not possible. 5 plus 5, that's 10, plus 5, 15. So our answer here is E. And to the next one, 20 plus 7, 27, plus 12, that's not possible. 20 minus 7, that's 13, minus, that's not possible. 20 times 7, that's 140. And the 140 divided by 12, that's not possible. Let's look at the next one. 20 minus 7, that's 13. 13 plus 12, that's 25. So our answer here is D. The next one, 35 minus 25, that's 10. 10 plus 6, 10 minus 60, that's minus 50. That's not possible. 35 minus 25, that's 10. 10 plus 60, that's 7. So our answer here is B. The next one, 42 plus 6. So 42 divided by 6, that's 7. 7 plus 9, that's 16. So our answer here is A. Division and addition. Division and addition. So that is the solution to these questions. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section. I will attend to it. Till I come your way, remember subscribe to this channel and be good.